welcome to the video. My name is Madhu. In this session, we will work through a structured bookkeeping workflow in QuickBooks Online using a sample data, whether you are managing finances for a business or testing finance modules. This guide will give you a real-world understanding of bookkeeping. QuickBooks Online is widely used for its automation, real-time financial tracking, and easy integration with other tools like Tableau and Python. And for this demo, I will be working with the QBO sample company data, which helps simulate real-world scenarios. In this video, we'll cover overview of the QBO dashboard, how to record and categorize transactions, managing inventory and fluctuating prices, tracking accounts receivables and payables, generating financial reports for analysis, automating process for efficiency. So let's dive in. So first let's explore our QBO dashboard, where we can track our bank accounts, profit and loss, expenses, cash flow trends, invoices, sales, accounts payables, accounts receivables, and many more. As our need, we can customize our dashboards. Every business has to record its transactions like sales, expenses, and bank transfer. To add these transactions, let's navigate through Bank Transactions tab, where we can see if your bank is connected to QBO, it will automatically import the transactions, and if not, you will have to manually enter the transactions. In the chart of accounts, we can see the categorization of transactions. Correctly classifying the transactions ensures accurate financial reports. For example, inventory assets should be categorized under the current assets. Every month, businesses must match the transactions with bank statements. QBO makes this easy with this feature. We can scan and upload receipts directly into QBO for tax and audit purposes. This makes our work more easier. If you deal with fluctuating product rates, the inventory management is crucial, right? To solve the problem, we will have to navigate through the sales tab, and here we can click on product and services. Here we can edit our existing product and services by clicking on edit. And we can create our new product and services by clicking on new. If the prices of our products and services changes frequently, we can update the cost in real time to reflect the market changes. To generate the inventory reports, we can click on reports and then search inventory. Here we have options to know inventory valuation details. We will click on this and we will have all the details about current inventory. To avoid the shortage, we can see this and monitor our cost changes. Keeping the track of customer payments and vendor dues is essential for every business to know the cash flow of business. So to know about our customers, let's click on Sales tab and go to Invoices. Here we can see unpaid invoices and paid invoices. We can know about the status of our invoices and make the automatic payment reminders. And to manage our vendor payments, let's click on Expenses tab and go to bills. Here we can see our unpaid bills and paid bills. We can check the status of our overdue bills and due dates to avoid the late fees. We can schedule our payments also from here. QBO allows businesses to generate detailed financial reports for a better decision making. To go to the reports, we can click on Reports tab. Here we have standard reports. In that we have accounts receivable, aging summary, and balance sheet, and profit and loss statement is already there in favorites. We can get statement of cash flow also there. Let's click on the profit and loss statement and check it. Here QBO also allows us to export this report. We can export it as Excel or a PDF file. We will use it to analyze the data, so I have downloaded it as an Excel file. We can use these reports to upload in Tableau or Python to get better understanding and better insights of our data. Automating the routine bookkeeping task can save our time and improve our accuracy. If we have recurring transactions like monthly rent, salary, supplier payments, we can automate them here. We will have to click on Transactions tab and go to Recurring Transactions. To reduce the overdue invoices, we can enable automatic invoice reminders. We can enable QuickBooks payments to let customers pay directly through the invoices. So that's a bookkeeping process video in QuickBooks Online. In this video, we have covered dashboard overview, recording and categorizing transactions, managing inventory and price fluctuations, tracking accounts receivables and payables, generating financial reports, using automation for efficiency.